Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Let's talk about plant microbe interactions. It is a very important field and topic in environmental biotechnology as well as in agricultural biotechnology. Uh, no matter what species of plant is there, it is always interacting with different types of microbes. Those microbes mostly help the plant to grow, and the plant also helps the microbes to grow as well. And they are pathogens as well. Different types of microbes behave as pathogens and cause different plant diseases as well. So no matter which plant is there, no matter which area it is growing, it is always interacting with different types of microbes. All plant forms have interaction with different types of microbes. Those microbes can be bacteria, can be fungi, can be viruses as well. However, biotechnologically, the most important plant microbe interaction is between the microbes and the higher plants, especially the plants which are used as food. Now, if we talk about the microbes which interact with the plants, we can categorize those microbes in so many different ways. One of the ways is whether the microbes are present on the surface of the plants or inside the plants. If the microbes are present external to the plants, those are called as epiphytes. For example, soil bacteria, maybe rhizospheric bacteria, and soil fungi as well. Those are present external to the plants. Or the microbes can be present inside the plant, inside the tissue of the plants. Those will be called as endophytes. For example, there are so many different nitrogen fixing bacteria and microorganisms which are present inside the tissue of the plants. There are certain types of fungi present there as well. So those will be called as endophytes. Mostly we talk about the microbes which are helpful to the plants. If you talk about the epiphytes or endophytes, we mostly mean the microbes which are helpful to the growth of the plants. However, pathogens are there as well, and those pathogens are mostly found in the internal tissues of the plants as endophytes, but those are pathogens and mostly those are not categorized as endophytes. Now, this association, again, जैसे हमने पहले कहा, can involve bacteria, fungi or viruses as well, and they behave differently. They can help the plant and sometimes they can cause negative effect on the growth of the plant as well. Why bacteria are there? Because they use the metabolites of the plants to grow. Two-way interaction is there. However, in some cases, much more complex association is present between two or more organisms, even 3 or 4, and they help each other in so many different aspects. So a complex interaction and association is there when you talk about plant microbe interactions, and often overall it results in the beneficial growth of the plant, and this aspect has been exploited and researched and is being used biotechnologically to bring about positive changes to the plant growth and the yield of the plant. बहुत सारे डिफरेंट माइक्रोब्स ऐसे हैं जो कि प्लांट को ग्रो करने में हेल्प करते हैं, उसकी यील्ड को बढ़ाने में हेल्प कर रहे हैं. Those microbes have been used as biofilterizers and so many different ways to increase the growth and yield of the different types of plants. Now, if we talk about microbe-plant interaction, as with any interaction of microbes with any other living organism, this interaction can be positive, this interaction can be negative as well. Negative की बात आएगी तो obviously those will be pathogens. In case of positive interaction, it can be mutualism, syntrophism, proto-cooperation or commensalism as well. So in some of these, both the plant species and the microbes get benefit from each other, and in some of these only one of the organism gets benefit, the other one is not harmed. And in case of negative interaction, commensalism is there, competition, parasitism and predation is there as well, which results in the damage of the plants. This was a brief introduction about plant microbe interaction. We'll talk about more about such interactions in our upcoming lessons.